And there's a queen and about 10,000 bees.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
And we really shouldn't need the gear, really,
Yeah.
to be honest with
Because they're
you. Shouldn't really
chilled
need it,
out.
but you never know. So,
If you had a little gin, you'd have a little cocktail for him.
some of that. So, this has got that mesh in there, so they can crawl up and down down to wherever the water level is. And then they drink it and they come back up.
And then come back. So the pollen they go out and get is simply for bringing here and making the honey. That doesn't feed them, right?
Whoa.
So this is left over from last year.
Oh wow!
And I am using it
Isn't that cool?
to feed them because
Oh yeah, I can see the honey on the other
there's
side.
a lot of
Look
honey.
at Lance.
Honey in this, and I think I'll turn it around because I just sort of broke that open.
That is really cool.
Easy for them to get at.
So then they'll eat that.
Yeah, they'll eat that.
That will be their food.
And I did that because I've got a lot of frames from last year that there wasn't enough honey in them to harvest. There just wasn't enough to harvest and take. So what I'm going to do is, in between these two frames is where I'm going to put the queen.
It's still safe.
I'm going to put the queen on, probably on this one. And this was brand new last year with nothing on it. And the bees put the honeycomb on there, but they never really
got the honey.
They never really filled it up.
So what do they build the honeycomb with?
So cool.
Wax.
Oh, where do they get the wax?
Well, they convert
They produce it.
nectar and pollen and convert it into
Oh
wax.
my goodness.
So I'm gonna. So what's gonna happen here is a little piece of marshmallow. Whoa. So what's in here is we've got a whole bunch of bees.
Oh, there they are. Look, sweetie. Oh,
And then this is a can of sugar water. And the queen is attached to a little cage on the end of this.
Ah, so they keep her inside.
So
that
I'm going
you
to pull
can get
this
to her.
out
Okay.
enough to get the queen out, which will bring a bunch of bees are going to come out.
Is it recording?
And then I'm going to go ahead and attach, put her in there. I'm going to take, there's a plug in that little box. There's a little plug, wooden plug. I'm going to pull that out and put and then what will happen over time is the bees will eat away at the marshmallow until the queen gets out of her little cage.
Oh my god.
And when she gets out of her little cage, then she can start laying eggs.
Oh, I can hear him now.
Back in.
Whoa. And they know she's in there.
They know she's in there.
Look, guys, that's where the queen is, in that little cage.
We'll watch
That is. That's fascinating. It's so cool.
here.
Oh, there she is. Wow. Oh yeah, she's big.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So we're gonna set her facing.
You want me to hold this?
Don't want her to face anywhere where we want her on this side.
Okay.
You don't want her to get dripped on by anything. So we're gonna have her actually facing down and then not facing in, into the honeycomb. So push it right into the comb like that. Okay.
Oh, look at him. Like,
Now we move the
yay!
gang back over here. So her pheromone is gonna go crazy in there. Okay, now we need to get the rest of the bees in there. So This is just sort of a...
Ah, so that's what makes the height, and then you put the little thing on.
And I'm going to put this box in here, let all the bees go. Most of them are going to go in there.
Yeah.
They'll head for the food. I'll put the lid on, I'll put the top on, and then probably 2 days maybe tomorrow, 2 days, I'll come back, I'll take this off, I'll remove this and this can, and then I'll put the lid, I'll take this box off, put the lid on there, and it'll just be this box.
Okay.
For about probably 3 weeks while they fill all of these up with babies. And
they'll get to work.
Okay.
Wow. There's their sugar water can. Look at that. That is pretty cool. You can just hear that little hum. Look at me. Yeah, you can tell they're really not interested in us. They're just, they've got something to focus on.
The goal is...
And their sense of, it's their smell and everything is so
pheromone
strong.
of the queen. They've been with that queen for maybe a week. So
Oh, they know her.
They know her smell. So they all want to go be with her.
Uh-huh.
And I can do the other hive right here.
Oh.
They won't get confused.
Wow.
And they'll say, oh, I belong over there.
Do they have a sense of direction that'll also tell them to go in this direction, and then they have the smell that'll lead them?
They do
then?
that when they get out and start flying around. They
Wow.
do orientation flights. They just kind of
Oh my God! So kind of their practice, like, okay, this is where we go.
Yeah, and then some of them are going to be nurse bees, and some of them will convert into foragers.
Oh yes, I remember you telling me about that. That's amazing.
And then others will go out. They'll figure out where all the flowers are and where to go. But I'm going to leave them like this for the rest of the day. And when it cools down, then all these bees that are flying around will go into this bottom hole.
Yeah.
And because it's going to get colder, they'll go in.
Oh,
and
right.
I'll stuff this hole with a lot of grass to kind of plug it.
Oh, okay. So
Plug
they'll
it,
just
and then
stay
I
in.
want them to kind of stay put for maybe 2 days or so to make sure that they got the queen out and that she's happy and they all know what they're doing, and then I'll open things up and let them go.
Wow. Very cool. Okay, bees, do your thing.